Good morning, children. Happy day. I hope everyone are doing very well fine. Yes. So today we are going to learn a new topic. So first of all, I would like to know from you if a number of things are kept in front of you, and I ask you how many of you have a particular set of pencils or erasers. What do you do? Yes, you count them. And after counting, you say the answer, say, I have four pencils or I have five pencils. So, what are these five or four? Yes, they are called as numbers. Exactly. Today, we are going to learn a new topic. The topic is about numbers. In previous class, you have learned some parts about the numbers, right? That is, you have learned how to frame the numbers for three digits. So, here we are going to see about four-digit numbers, how they are formed. Before that, let us revise what you have learned in the previous class. So here I take you to one of the PowerPoint presentations where you will be explained about it with some of the videos played to help you in understanding better. So here we have, so can you see there are some numbers placed on your screen? Yes. So now let me know what can be these numbers read as. As you can see, these are three-digit numbers. So the first one is 714, second 306, and third is 825. How is it read? Yes. So the answers for this is the first one 714 is 714, 306 306, 825 825. Now let us move on to one of the kickstart activity. Can you tell me if we add 10 ones, what does it result to? Yes, it results to 110. Whereas combining 10 tens, it results to how much hundred? Yes, it results to 100. Can you tell me which is the smallest three digit formed? Exactly, 100. And largest three digit? 999. Right? So let us exercise few of the questions here as given. 786. The number name for this is 786. The second one, can you just guide me? Yes, it is 200. Third one, we have 100. There's nothing in the tens place, so we write it as 9. Now, I want you to try some drill work. That is question number D for you is 923, next 489. Let us move on to the next slide. That is, what is the place value of the underlined digit? You can see here the place value 764, where we see 6 is underlined, and you see this is in the tens place. So the place value of this comes as 60. Similarly, the place value of 8 is, here we can see 2 8 are present. So we are going to look for the underlined digit place that you see it is in hundreds place. So it is 8 is 100, 800. So same way the second one 325. You can see 2 is in again in tens place. So the place value is 20. Similarly, try to do the next questions where D is 973, 3 is underlined. The last is 634 where 6 is the underlined digit. Now let us classify the following numbers as given. So we have even and odd numbers. Can you see there are some numbers which are highlighted with red color and some are with black? Can you make some differences in them? Yes. You see that the digits which end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are said to be even numbers, whereas the digits which end up where the ones place is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So here you can see 652, 508, 124, 792, 86, 976 and 350 are all even numbers. Whereas with the black ones, that is 867, 183, 757, 259, 777 are said to be odd numbers. So let us list out the smallest numbers and the greatest number from the following. When we identify with respect to the smallest and greatest, we first of all start from the left side. So we see the digits where you see in the first question 721, 863, 186, 973. You see here the hundreds place is 7. Here we have 8. Here we have 1 and the last one is 9. Here you could make out the least one you could find is 186. So I'm going to highlight with red specifying that it is the smallest number of all. And let us see the greatest number, that is 973. I'm going to highlight the greatest number with blue. So children, next question for B, C and D you would be solving as real sums for yourself. Let us move ahead to the next part, that is fill in the boxes with the correct sign, less than, greater than or is equal to sign. 156 and 128, what would be the relation? When we compare, we look into the left side's digits. The number of digits are same, 3 as well as 3. The first digit is 1, here also we have 1. So they are same. Let us move on to the next digit, tens place, that is 5 and 2. So you see 5 is the greater number than 2. So you take the greater than sign and add it here, specifying that 156 is greater than 128. Similarly, children, please try to solve the question number B, C, D, E and F by your own. So these are the drill sums for you. Please try it. Let us move on to the next part. Writing numbers in ascending and descending order. When we say ascending or descending order, the numbers where you see or write it in the form of lowest to the largest number are said to be as in ascending order. Whereas the ordering of the numbers where you start from the reverse of ascending order, that is largest to the smallest, is called ascending order. So here one of the example is solved for you. Where you see the first question, 235, 687, 145 and 184. So the ascending order is the lowest is 145, next comes 184, next is 235 and finally 687. The descending order goes to the reverse, that is 687, 235, 184 and 145. So please move on to the questions B, C and D. Mark it as the drill sums and solve. Next comes is the formation of 4-digit number. Yes, in grade 3 we are going to learn about how to form 4-digit number. So before this, I would like to take you to the video. So let us move on to this video. Okay, so we will be learning about the extension of numbers up to 10,000. So you see 10,000 is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. So from 4 digit till 5 digit, how are the numbers formed? Let us see. In the previous class, we have learned numbers up to 999. Now we are going to learn about 4 digit numbers. Before moving further, let's take a review. 100 is the smallest 3 digit number, whereas 999 is the greatest 3 digit number. When we add 1 to the greatest 3 digit number, we get smallest 4 digit number as 1000. We know that 10 hundreds results to 1000. Let us learn more 4 digit numbers. That is 1000 plus 1000 is equals to 2000. 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 is equals to 3000. 1000, 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 equal to 4000. Let us frame the numbers on the abacus. We know that 999, when we add with 1, it results to 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 9000, 8000. 9999, when we add with 1, it results to 10,000. Place value and face value. Value of different places. Let us see how we need to have the 4 places. Each place has a different value. Thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. See, face values of the digit is the value of the itself wherever it may be placed. Example, let us write the face value of each digit in the number 3261. So we know that face value of any digit in a number is the digit itself. So the thousands place we have the number, that is face value of 1 is 1, face value of 6 is 6, of 2 is 2, the face value of 3 is 3 itself. Place value of the digit depends upon the position in the number. Example, arrange the numeral 2536 according to the place value table. Solution. So we are going to write it in the place value chart as follows. We are going to write 2 in the thousands place, writing hundreds place as 5, tens column we are going to write as 3, and 6 in the ones column. Here the place value of 6 is 6, the place value of 3 is 30, the place value of 5 is 500, the place value of 2 is 200, 2000, sorry. Let us learn about expanded form and short forms. The sum of the place values of digits of a numeral is called its expanded form. By expanding the numbers, we understand the value of each digit in the numeral. For example, the numeral 3425 can be expanded as 3000 plus 400 plus 20 plus 5. 3000s plus 400s plus 2 tens, 5 ones. Remember, when we write a number using digits, we call it short form or short notations. Wasn't it a fun learning? Yes. So let us move on to the next slides in our PowerPoint presentation. Okay. So we had revised, that is 999 plus 1 results to 1000. So we have come in the 4-digit forms. Likewise, 1001 is written as 1001. Same goes 1002, 1003, 1025 and 3354. Let us move on to solving exercise. So here, fill in the missing numbers in the given numbers. So one of the examples where you see the series in the increasing order, where each number is one next to the other. Same way, can you guess what would be here the sequence? Yes, 2531. After 2532, we have 2533. After 2034, we have 2535. The next number after 2535 is 2536. The next number after 2537 is 2538. The next number that comes after this is 2539. And finally, we have 2540. The children, next question is for you. That is, what should be the numbers filled in these blank places for the given values as per? So please finish the sequence as given. Let us move on to the next part, that is writing the number names for the following. We have here 1008, so it is written as 1008. Same way we have 2320, where 2 is in the thousands place, so we read it as 2320. Same way, I want you to solve the further questions C, D, and E as well. We have to learn about how to represent the numbers wherein they are given in the words and you have to represent in the numerals. So we have 5,000, so 5 is in the thousands place. 100, so 1 is placed in the hundreds place. 17, so 1 and 7, so it is 5117. Same goes to 1027. So we have 2 is in the thousands place. We don't have any digit framed as such in hundreds place, so we give as 0. Next comes as 27. Same, I want you to solve the further questions. That is C 5003, 9612 and 8468. So let us learn about how to represent the numbers in the abacus. So here once again I will be showing you one video. So let us recall. I hope everyone likes to know about how to frame the 4-digit numbers in the abacus file. And everyone loves to see so, right? So before going to this, I will take you to the video of the abacus. So here we have what number is shown on the place value abacus. Yes, so we have the bits, we have to find the values. So the first spikes, when you see, there are 3 beats. So the value of 3 would be 3000. Same ways, here we have hundreds place, there is only 1 beat. So the value would be 100. Same goes in the tens place, we have 2 bits. So the bits value have 20. In the final, we have ones place, we have 2 bits in the spike. So the bits value is 2. Finally, the number as such is formed as 3122. Isn't that so simple and easy? Yes. So now we'll move on to one more example. So here we have In the first spike, that is thousands place, one bead. So the value would be 1000. Same in the second place, that is we have the hundreds place, there are 8 beads. The value of this is 800. In the tens place, there is no beads. So the value would be 0. Whereas in the ones place, there are 3 beads. So the value would be 3. Now, so the number represented in this abacus is 1803. So, yes. So now I hope everyone might have enjoyed to see this abacus, how we learn about the forming of the digits and naming them. Let us move further to the exercise. So we have the next part is draw the beads to represent the following numbers on abacus. Same as it is, this is one of the fun activity for you. I want you to take 4 straws wherein you will be placing one of the straws naming as thousand, second one as hundred, third one tens, and the fourth one as units. And accordingly, you will place some of the articles where you can name with a ring sort of, and you can put the beads accordingly, and simultaneously you can draw it in your notebook. So it was amazing to learn about it. So today we have learned about how to form 4-digit numbers, how to find their place values as well as the face values, and representation of the numbers on the abacus. So we would meet you next time. Till then, take care. Thank you.